ज्यादा लर्निंग किससे हुई है? शहजाद भाई से, शोएब भाई से? Did some HR of Mars approach you to come and work for Mars? So उमैर भाई from Marina wants to ask you कि शादी में क्यों डिले है?
I'm in relationship with Mars.
Are you a Cristiano Ronaldo fan or are you a Messi fan?
Mike Hussey.
सही रजमल को मारा था। Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Mars Beyond the Call, where we share inspiring stories of our leaders and of the people who have brought Mars to where it is today. All across the world, there are certain people who are known as the contingency plans of problems whenever a company is facing any big problems or any issue that needs quick fixing. Today, the person that we have as a guest at Mars Beyond the Call is known as the contingency plan and the problem fixer of Mars BPO. We have none other than Numan Nisar bhai. Numan bhai, assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
हमारे इस शो का एक कल्चर है. Whenever someone comes, we ask them to start off the show by telling them their story. So आपकी story क्या थी? मतलब where did you get your education from and then how you ended up at Mars?
First and foremost, when it comes to my life journey, I had my schooling from my hometown. It's basically around 90 kilometers from here. It's in Attak. I guess your mom side is from there as well.
My maternal side is from Attak as well. Yes.
So after the schooling, I went to college in Guwahati, where I was hospitalized for maybe 3 years. Then I moved to Rawalpindi for the university. I started in University of Lahore and I was doing business administration from there.
Okay.
So I have been in hostel for last 5 years. When you are in hostel, I mean, you are a freebie. You can do whatever you want and whatever you please.
Yes.
But what happened was in 2013, my family moved in Rawalpindi as well. So all my independence, whatever I was doing during my hostel time, वो आज़ादी मेरे से ना चली गई. So although we were not financially that good as well, but we were managing somehow. I came up with an idea that I would like to join a call center, or I would like to do my job so that I can get rid of the parents who were on me all the time. Even if when I have to go for a haircut, I have to tell my father कि यार अबूजी मैं जरा
पैसे दे दें बाल कटाने जाने.
And it was not about money all the time. Most of the time it was getting out and hang out with friends and stuff like that. So that's how I got into a call center. It was a small call center in commercial market. I was getting 6,000 a month in the start for maybe first 3 months. So
and this was in which year?
It was in 2012.
12.
Yes, it was in 2012. So that's how I started. And once you get into the industry, we all know it sucks you into it. And then you take it from there. So that's how my journey started.
In the call center industry. So if you joined the call center industry in 2012, almost 11 years experience you have in this industry.
Yeah, it's more than 11 years.
So there must be a huge amount of people जिनसे आपका obviously इस इंडस्ट्री में कि कंपनीज चेंज होने का बार बार कॉल सेंटर्स चेंज होते हैं, कंपनीज चेंज होती हैं, तो आपको you must have
That was not the case with me. I started with one company. I worked there for 6-7 months, and after 6-7 months I thought I outgrow them. So then I took a leave because I was going through my exams.
All right.
And when I returned, I thought it's waste of time to go back there. Yes, I learned a lot, but I think I outgrew that company. After that, I had my own thing going as well. But then the other company that I joined was Mars BPO in 2021. So it's just 3-4 companies that I worked for. And one thing that is very important, that what I thought was important, is that you learn when you work for a company for some time, because if everything is going good, so you won't learn a lot. If a company is going through a crisis, then obviously then you will learn at that time.
Exactly.
So that's why I have been with the companies. I just worked for 3-4 companies. I started my own call center. I worked for over maybe 12 to 18 months. And during that time, we started working with Mars as an external team. I was working with Shoaib bhai for maybe 6 months. And after that, I quit from there. And then Shoaib bhai gave me a call. He was in Chicago when he came to know that I'm not doing my own thing anymore. So he gave me a call and he wanted me to be part of Mars. So that's how I became part of Mars.
All right. No HR from Mars called you the owner of Mars call you and ask you to be with him. That's again, you must be very good at what you do. That's why you were reached out like that. आपने since start Mars में जब join किया तो शहजाद भाई के साथ काम किया. शोएब भाई is also known for his hard work and his expertise in this field. ज़्यादा learning किससे हुई है? शहजाद भाई से, शोएब भाई से?
देखिए, अगर शोएब भाई से ना आप एक चीज़ सीख सकते हैं ना, तो वो है एम्पावरमेंट. अब जब मैं अपना सेटअप कर रहा था तो सबसे बड़ा मसला जो मेरे साथ आ रहा था वो ये आ रहा था कि मैं अपने जो मेरी टीम थी मैं उसको ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा. अब क्या होता था, अगर डायलर करना है तो मुझे लगता था कि मैं सबसे बेहतर चला सकता हूँ. और भी कोई मसला होता था तो मुझे लगता था कि ये शायद ये बंदा गलती करेगा. बट अगर आप एट द सेम टाइम शोएब भाई को देखें तो वी हैव अराउंड 12 ब्रांचेस राइट नाउ, एंड ही हैज़ empowered so many people, he has trusted so many people with such a big responsibilities. अब मुझे आप देख लें, अभी मुझे मार्स में 18 महीने भी नहीं हुए थे and I got promoted to branch head and almost we have around 200 people. तो इतनी बड़ी ब्रांच पे एक ऐसा बंदा जिसको ठीक है 18 महीने थोड़ा सा टाइम होता है, बट अगर आप कंपनीज की हिस्ट्री में देखो तो 18 महीने is not a big tenure. So empowerment is something that if you have to learn from one person, it will be Shoaib. चीज़ मैंने जो शहजाद भाई से सीखी है, वो लोगों को टाइम देते हैं. अब क्या होता था कि when we started we were just a team of 3. मैं था, शहजाद भी थे और राजा नुमान था, और हमारे पास तकरीबन 150 के करीब लोग थे. और 3 बंदे 150 लोगों को मैनेज नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो we needed leadership. हमने कुछ लोगों को हायर किया एंड मुझे लगता था कि ये सही लोग नहीं हैं. मतलब जो हमने हायर किए हैं, इनको शायद हमने हायर तो कर लिया, बट दैट वाज आउट ऑफ नेसेसिटी बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव पीपल. शहजाद भाई he sat me down one day and he told me कि देखो नुमान, आई नो कि चांसेस यही हैं कि शायद वो इतने ये लोग जो हमने 2 बंदे हायर किए हैं इतने अच्छे ना हो. हर बंदा प्लग एंड प्ले नहीं होता है. आप बंदे एनवायरनमेंट के साथ क्या कहते हैं वो कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करते हैं एंड देन उनकी ट्रू पोटेंशियल जो है वो समझ आती है. ये चीज़ उससे पहले मेरे में नहीं थी, और मेरे ख्याल से ये वो एक चीज़ है जो मैंने शहजाद भाई से सीखी है.
So उमैर भाई from Marina wants to ask you that what is the key for production?
ये तो हम सब ने पता करनी है. We all wanted to know what's the key to production.
If they're asked, he's heading another office and he wants to ask you that question, it means the production at your office must be better.
I think hiring the right resource is the key to production.
I told everyone in the start of this podcast that you're known as the problem fixer of the company. You're a contingency plan. Recently, we've seen that you've been able to, successfully start 2 or 3 new programs. Normally, what I have noticed, since मुझे इतना time तो नहीं हुआ इस industry में, but since I have come here, mostly people want कि यार कुछ चलता चलाया मिल जाए. कि मतलब something is like one of the programs, it's very lucrative and everyone wants कि यार वो हमारे पास होना चाहिए. But it takes some strategy, it takes some planning, and it takes some, structure to start a new program and then in turn make it successful as well. क्या आपकी ऐसी planning है, क्या आपकी ऐसी strategy है जिसको आप implement करते हैं तो new program चल भी जाता है and then it becomes successful as well?
See, उसके लिए सबसे पहले तो ये चीज़ realize करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है कि new programs जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा important है. 2023 में कंपनी होती थी यहाँ पे पिंडी इस्लामाबाद में, सिलेबैक्स. दे यूज्ड टू हैव अ हेड काउंट ऑफ 400 पीपल. उनका एक प्रोग्राम, उस पर कुछ बार शट हो जाते हैं और वो सारी कंपनी आउट ऑफ बिजनेस हो जाती है. रीजन वाज डिपेंडेंसी ऑन वन प्रोग्राम. तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रियलाइज दैट यू नीड मल्टीपल businesses in order to run a good company. जब आप ये रियलाइज कर लेते हो तो then it's all about persistence. आप कोई भी प्रोग्राम है वो एक दिन में नहीं चलेगा. कभी ऐसे होगा कि वो वन हिट वंडर होगा, कभी कभी आप उसको टाइम भी देना पड़ेगा. That's the key to success, that you need to trust in your people, you need to. एंड वन मोर थिंग, एक और मसला जो था, लोग क्या करते हैं कि वो नया प्रोग्राम आया तो जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये काम किसी काम के नहीं है उसको उस पर डाल दो. इस तरह से नहीं होता है. यू नीड टू पुट योर बेस्ट पीपल. ट्रस्ट भी करते हैं कि यार यस, उनको अपने सेल्फ बिलीव होता है कि नहीं हम कर लेंगे, और फिर यू नीड टू गिव देम टाइम. इट वॉन्ट हैपन ओवर नाइट. आपको उसको कम अज़ कम, अब हमने 2 प्रोग्राम टेस्ट किए. एक प्रोग्राम वी डिड इट फॉर अबाउट 4 months, नहीं चला, बट ये है कि वी गिव इट good 4 months and then you can decide कि यार is it worth it or not worth it. हमेशा challenges होते हैं और सारे challenges एक ही टाइम पे solve नहीं होते. You need to tackle one problem at a time. Alhamdulillah, the other program that we have, we are doing good on that. Persistence is the key. ये नहीं कि बस आज नहीं हो रहा तो कल भी नहीं होगा.
Numan bhai, we always, we're looking for getting more and more human resource added to our company. We want better people, street smart people. हम हमेशा चाहते हैं कि हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में अच्छे लोग आए. Since we have a huge audience in this podcast, मतलब इंडस्ट्री से भी लोग हैं, इंडस्ट्री के बाहर के भी लोग हैं. I need you to give one message to the people who are not in this industry but they have good communication skills, they have self-belief, they can do something, they can go out of the way, they can hustle. Why they should come and join us?
मैंने मार्स ज्वाइन किया था. It was 4 years before. In fact, I celebrated my 4th anniversary 3 days before. We had around 250 people. आज we have a head count of over 3,000. We are a 4th largest company in whole Punjab in terms of revenue. We have a lot of growth opportunities. हमारी लीडरशिप में over 150 से ज़्यादा लोग हैं. And most of the people that we have, they are in-house, homebred, जो है ना हमारी लीडरशिप का. If you want to work, if you are eager to work, मेरा नहीं ख्याल के मार्च के अलावा there is another choice. Last year I received a call from fathers of एक employee हमारे, मैं भी उनका नाम नहीं लूँगा. उनके father ने मुझे कॉल की कि वो शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते थे. उन्होंने 3 साल पहले अपनी बेटी की जब शादी की तो उन्होंने कोई 3 लाख का लोन लिया था. वो एक जगह पे सिक्योरिटी की जॉब करते थे. उनकी सैलरी 25,000 थी. अब वो समझ नहीं रहे थे कि मेरा ये लोन कैसे मैं पे ऑफ करूँगा. उनका बेटा हमारे पास काम करता था. लास्ट नवंबर में उसके तकरीबन 350,000 उसने बनाए हैं. एंड दे पेड ऑफ दैट लोन इन वन गो. तो इतने शुक्रगुजार थे. एंड ही वाज सो ग्रेटफुल, ही वाज अबाउट टू वीप. एंड इतना हार्ट टचिंग मोमेंट था कि
Exactly.
So we have life changing opportunities for almost everyone.
Exactly.
तो अगर आप काम करना चाहते हो तो
काम करना जरूरी है.
काम करना चाहते हो.
Yes, exactly. Because you will have to come and you'll have
Yes.
to outperform yourself.
Yes.
And if you're able to do that, because मुझे याद है कि when I working in a government organization, मेरी तो सरकारी नौकरी सेट थी जो मोस्टली पाकिस्तानी चाहते हैं कि सरकारी नौकरी हो बच्चे की. And I was an officer. मुझे शोएब भाई said one thing to me and he said कि यार if you work really hard, I mean really hard, we will take care of you. And that's what Mars is about.
Yes. Yes.
You, as you said कि empowerment अगर किसी से सीखनी है, लोगों को build करना अगर किसी से सीखना है, तो वो the best example, the best company that we have in the Twin Cities is Mars, and Mars is all about. It's actually one person behind Mars, and it's Shoaib bhai. Numan bhai, we've also been told that you're fond of sports, and in sports you're fond of football. What's your favorite club? What's your favorite international team? Who's your favorite star? Are you a Cristiano Ronaldo fan or are you a Messi fan?
फुटबॉल जो है ना, फुटबॉल ये हमारी नेचुरल गेम नहीं है. एज अ पाकिस्तानी आप हमेशा क्रिकेट फैन.
सर हमारी नेचुरल गेम तो स्लीपिंग है.
क्या हुआ कि 2011 में मेरे ख्याल से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिकेट फैन था. तो 2011 में एक सेमीफाइनल था. हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ खेल रहे थे. हमने उनको 191 का टारगेट दिया. हम तकरीबन थ्रू आउट द गेम जो है ना वो जीत रहे थे. हर 3-4 ओवर बाद एक विकेट गिर रही थी. आखिरी 2 ओवरों में दे हैड टू चेज अराउंड 35-36. और आखिरी ओवर में माइक हसी
सईद अजमल को मारा था. Exactly, I remember.
मैं 2 दिन सो नहीं सका.
बहुत दुख हुआ था. Exactly.
उस दिन तहिया कर लिया था कि आज के बाद मैं क्रिकेट नहीं देखूं. So that's how I started following football. पहले भी थोड़ा बहुत करता था, but then I started
with entirety. Religiously.
And then I started following Arsenal. और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 20 साल हो गए अभी तक हमने चैंपियनशिप नहीं जीती.
Arsenal is a very mediocre team, but जो Arsenal के fans हैं वो Arsenal के fans. They didn't have Cristiano Ronaldo. They didn't have anyone.
They have Thierry Henry.
Cristiano Ronaldo और मेसी जिसको पूरी दुनिया जानती है.
Of course.
And Henry को जानते हैं लोग, but only football fans they know. Then again, Arsenal FC has a huge.
We are not glory hunters.
Then why are you in the sport?
देखें, dopamine. If you are constantly winning, then what's the point?
And what's your favorite international team?
कोई मेरी favorite नहीं.
वो जो debate है, who's the greatest of all time? Is it Cristiano Ronaldo or is it Lionel Messi?
रोनाल्डो ने ना दुनिया के 2 बड़े तरीन जो क्लब है ना उनमें खेला है. एक रियल मैड्रिड और एक मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड. अगर उसने रियल मैड्रिड और मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड में ना खोला होता तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर वुड हैव बीन अ डिबेट.
Messi is also been playing in Barcelona.
नहीं, बार्सिलोना
is a world class club.
बार्सिलोना को मेसी ने बनाया है. मेसी से पहले बार्सिलोना was nowhere near जो अभी बार्सिलोना है.
And do you also play football? Yeah, it's just.
Yes, in college time, yes. I used to play, then I broke my kneecap and.
उसके बाद everything.
That's
Exactly.
all she wrote.
Numan bhai, thank you very much for sparing time for us today. I know it's very difficult to spare time from our busy routines, but you came and you gave us time and shared your valuable insights. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for tuning in today to Mars Beyond the Call. We will catch you all in the very next episode. Until then, stay tuned.